Okay, hey you guys. I'm still experimenting with Arteza metallic or pearl paints that they sent. So pearl copper gold is like beginning to be one of my all-time favorite paints. Pearl amaranth red, pearl turquoise, and pearl pink tulip. I did add the other one that I did. I had just the pearl paints, but I feel like the pigments are a little bit lighter. I don't know if you guys can see. And they kind of get a little bit swallowed up by the white. So I'm doing a little bit of just regular vandyke brown in there. So that's still Arteza, but it's just not one of the pearlescents. So we'll see what actually comes out. I've already blown my paint base under here. I'm gonna start a little bit closer to the middle, and I'm gonna do it more in an elongated shape. Not too much brown, that's enough. The pinks are kind of similar, so we'll see how that goes. And I loved the copper, so I'm actually going to do a lot of copper in this one. And then back over with this other kind of peachy pink. So I don't know, let's see how this goes. That's a lot of paint on that canvas, Molly. Oh well. Okay, let's see. Up so crazy, like immediately, and then I hate to blow it out. So yeah, metallics and pearlescent paints definitely react more just in general, but whenever I use the Winsor and Newton white, I always get crazy cells like that. I really don't want to blow on it, guys. Ugh. Okay. Wow, I really like this one. Just one, let me see if I can force that pink right up there. Just one little bit. There's a ton of paint here. I'm not gonna post this video until I know that it's not gonna crack, but I just really didn't want to disrupt any of the cells that are here. I'm not gonna be able to get that pink up through there. Nope, but you know what? I don't even care because I love this. This would be like perfect for a little girl's room. That copper is gonna dry, like super metallic-y. Oh, I'm gonna take you down and show you. I like the little bits of blue that are in there, just kind of peeking through, but this is a predominant pink peach pour. I'm glad that I added, look at that lacing through there. Oh, that copper is gonna be beautiful. And I'll post everything like I said I always do in my social media. So that is it. I'm really just liking the fact that there's just blue right there, and just a touch of blue right there. And it's definitely under there. I just don't want to mess up what this looks like now to try to get to it. So I'll let you guys know about the finished product, how it dries. And something else that I did, I blew at a different angle very slowly, because normally I blow to get the paint off as well. But I blew this time just to have those top layers kind of come up over. And I really think that that helped kind of stretch the paint out without blowing everything off the canvas and ending up with bare canvas. So the angle of your blow dryer really matters as well. So, all right, you guys. Thank you for watching. I'm going one more time. Oh, that copper is going to be amazing. All right. Happy painting. Bye.